I'm your commentator, Peter Drury, and providing his unique brand of expert analysis, here's Jim Beglin.
Hi Peter, it's great to be here.
I've made a major appointment here. What's your take on it?
Listen, this is all the ingredients of being a cracker. I just hope I haven't jinxed it by saying that.
Of all the grand stadia in world football, none more impressive than this. The crowd wait to offer them a red-hot welcome. So the two starting lineups. So off we go then. Well, he's a little fella, Ludovic Julie, but he is one of those, Jim, appreciated by those he plays with.
Yeah, there's no doubt about that. For me, the perfect go-between player in that final third who links up midfield and attack. One of those nightmare scenarios for defenders not wanting to follow him into deeper space.
Because he's just so bright, so intelligent.
Yeah, well, usually he's looking to drag them out of position, and he's so good with his technical ability and vision that all of a sudden they've got a big problem.
You want him in your team. Mohamed Fais, Evan Dimas, Shinyak Zola, Ahmad Figo, Adam Addis, Evan Dimas, Rusli, big chance here! Hamza Tito! He's got away with one there.
Not one of his best efforts, but I've seen a lot worse.
Showing up brightly down his flank. Oh, he really got hold of that.
I just thought that was a great chance, and he should have made more of that header.
Agreed. Mohamed Fais, Bentit Santoso, Ahmad Figo. Not a good throw at all, really. He's given away possession cheaply. Gomez, Ferdinand, Jahari, looking up to see who wants it. And he should have made it 4.
What a move, and that final shot was close to perfection.
Hamza Tito. Kamara. Ilham Fatoni. Artigas. Baskoro. Artigas. Jahari. Looks to slip it through. Getting on for a third of the way through the game. Aarons. Ferdinand. Aarons. Ferdinand. Artigas. Jahari. Ilham Tony. Kamara. He's got away with one there.
He knows very well he can score from that distance. Not quite this time.
Jahari. Gomez.
5 minutes before half-time, and it's level.
So who's he picking out? That's brave goalkeeping, really decisive. And he's done very well to deal with it. Oh, that's an own goal!
And to put the ball in your own net like that really could take the wind out of their sails.
Team. Jahari. Bashkuro. Kamara. And there's the end of the first half. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Well, even if you've been playing well, conceding at such a crucial time can be crushing, particularly for the defender at fault. He'll need to...
The second half gets underway. Safe to say they're in no hurry to relinquish the upper hand.
Team. Has a crack! Never one to be short of confidence, he gave it a go. The outcome, though, not what he had in mind.
What an effort that was. He's done very well from that distance.
Hamsati, two. Adam Addis. Took a deflection! And out to safety. Oh, good steal, he just read it. Good defending there, they've slammed the door in the faces of the opposition. That's a foul, no two ways about it. He's got options in the box if he gets his head up. Brilliant! Goal! They needed something special, and my word, they've got it!
You just knew from the moment it left his foot that it was always heading for the left-hand corner. That was some finish.
Just about up to the hour now. Hamsati, two. He's taking on the lot of them. Hamsati, two! No mistake! Oh, look who scored it! It had to be him! It just had to be!
Party. Hamsati.
Two. Up towards the front line.
Ilham Tony. Party.
Chooses to go back. And the flag has stayed down. Oh, great chance! Just off target.
Well, that was worth the effort, but it could have gone anywhere.
Jahari.
Gets into the right position to intercept. Rafi! Oh, that's brilliant! Two up and threatening to pull clear.
It was a good shot, to be honest.
Party.
Kamara! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Evan Dimas.
Evan Dimas! Oh, I think it's been called offside. Yes, it has. Oh, that's not going to count. And we go again.
Yeah, the assistant did have his flag up. The referee seemed to spot it late, though. Nevertheless, the right decision.
Evan Dimas. Jahari.
Kamara! Now that was quite some save.
Aarons.
Looking to shoot. Oh, taken with style. They've done it again. It is incredible.
Party. Aarons. Gomez. Jahari.
Looking up to see who wants it. And here comes the corner. Played into the middle. Did well to generate such power. The mark of the player he is.
Well, he showed great desire to get his head to that, Peter, and the crowd certainly approved. Just listen.
Gomez.
Now surely! Oh, it's a clear foul and the referee's got a decision to make.
Penalty given, and the referee felt he had no choice but to give the spot kick, and he's gone to his pocket as well. It's red, a straight dismissal.
Have themselves a chance from the spot. No mistake!
He just didn't let it.
Jahari.
Added time is up, and there goes the